Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to make eggless plum cake. Because it's Christmas season, let's celebrate and make eggless plum cake that is made with the warmest of spices, is rich and absolute delicious. Without wasting much time, let's get started. In a bowl, take 1/3 cup orange juice and water. Next, adding all the dry fruits like dried cranberries, black raisin and tutti frutti. And I let this cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes until the fruit soaks up some amount of juice and becomes soft and plump. After 5 minutes, this looks good and I'll set this aside. Next, in a bowl, add all the wet ingredients, adding half a cup oil, add 3/4 cup brown sugar and 1 cup of curd. Whisk together and well combined. Set this aside and add all the dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cup maida, 1 teaspoon orange zest, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything together. Once everything is mixed, take wet ingredient bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add the dry mix and mix until everything is well combined and there are no large lumps in the batter. Once the batter is mixed well, add chopped cashews and almonds. Now add cooked dry fruits and mix everything together. Transfer the batter into the cake mold. Top it off with some cooked dry fruits. Now take one kadai, put some salt and a plate and preheat for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, bake on low flame for about 50 minutes. Wow, my cake is done. Looks so beautiful. Cover the cake with a cloth and let it cool down. Finally, enjoy eggless Christmas cake or store in an airtight container and serve up to a week. And yes, that's all about today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos and DIY tips. Thank you for watching.